Hey folks, it's Aaron Esteban again, and as I promised you, I'll be showing you how to generate the best buyer keywords to help you generate buyer traffic over to your website after you properly search engine optimize for these buyer keywords. Also, before we get started, I wanted to recap on the definition of what buyer keywords are. So, buyer keywords are the phrases people use in search engines when they're searching to buy a product or service. The intent behind buyer keywords shows that the searcher is actively in the buying cycle or mood, already well aware of their need, and have seriously considered purchasing a service or product. People with money in their hand will use these types of keywords to find products that they'd like to purchase, and these are the types of visitors that you always want to have if you're selling any products online or if you're serious about getting any sales from your website. Okay, so now that I've got you on the right track with what buyer keywords are, let's go ahead and jump straight into the steps for generating your buyer keywords. The very first step that we should do is head straight over to the Google Adwords Keyword Planner tool, which is free to use, by the way, and log in to quickly get set up. So I'll go over to Google, type in Google Adwords Keyword Planner, and click one of the first few links here. Let me quickly sign in. Let's click on this tool icon here in the top right corner and look for the Keyword Planner tool. Okay, now that I'm here in the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool, let's click the search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category dropdown. And then we'll enter in our seed keyword. And in this example, I'm going to use SEO as the niche that I'm in, so I'll enter in SEO into this field here. Okay, so next we're going to click on the keywords to include filter option, and let's go ahead and go into the folder that you've downloaded for this course to open up the buyer keywords txt file. That's the buyer keywords text file that I want you to open up, and we're going to copy the keywords from this file and we're going to paste it in to the keywords to include filter, and then we'll click save. And let's go ahead and pass one more filter here. We'll make sure that the only show ideas closely related to my search terms is turned on, because normally it's turned off. We'll turn it on, click save, and then at this point we can go ahead and click the get ideas button. Okay, so you can see here that the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool has generated the buyer keywords along with our main seed keyword, the SEO keyword, and the included keywords from the buyer keywords text document is also visible here. These are all buyer keywords that people are typing into the search engine in Google in particular to find SEO services and SEO companies to become better with their SEO. But they have money in their hand when they're typing in these types of keywords because they're ready to buy in order to fix this problem. Now, this is just one way of doing it. There's actually a much better way of doing it, a much faster, much easier way of doing this, and a piece of software that I have. It's called Buyer Keywords Generator Pro, and this software will take the workload off for you. Let me just quickly show you how this software works and how it's so much better and faster to get this process done for you. Now, Buyer Keywords Generator Pro is super awesome because you don't even have to open up your web browser, go over to the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool and paste in your buyer keywords, because Buyer Keywords Generator Pro already has everything built in to generate your buyer keywords and check the Google AdWords Keyword Planner data for you. The software is very fast with gathering these buyer keywords, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let me go ahead and give you a quick demonstration. So I'll enter in SEO just like I did in the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool, and click the Buyer Keywords Generator button right here to let the program generate its list of buyer keywords. And you can see that it instantly generated 277 buyer keywords. You can repeat this process as many times as you like with as many keywords as you like to keep generating more and more keywords. Each time is going to keep multiplying more and more keywords for you. Okay, so now it's time to get the Google AdWords Keyword Planner data by clicking this button here. And another form will pop out to go ahead and start collecting the Google AdWords Keyword Planner data, such as the global monthly search volume, the cost per click, and the competition data from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. And as you can see, the program is very fast with collecting this data from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Okay, so now that the program has finished gathering the Google AdWords Keyword Planner data, we can click the global monthly search volume column to sort the data from highest to lowest value. After that, we'll take a quick look. Now, why is this data even valuable? Well, because you're going to want to target keywords that have high search volume according to Google. If you do this, this means that when you land on the first page of Google, all those people that are searching on the global monthly search volume will be the people that show up to your website. So this is very, very valuable information to have here. As you can see, we have hundreds of keywords to choose from. Now we can just go ahead and click the Save option to export the data to an external CSV file. Let's go ahead and click Save and name the file. And as you can see, we now have all of our valuable data stored to an external CSV file. So that way we can always look back at these buyer keywords that were generated, and we'll know exactly which keywords we can use for our website to generate buyer traffic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Be sure to look for the link to download this software. It'll be somewhere around this video, so make sure that you get your copy today. And I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you've learned something valuable here. If you have any questions, like I said, again, you can contact me anytime. Thank you for watching.